be the glory. Today I've got something amazing for you guys. So this is what we're going to be doing. I have an amazing strategy that I want to share with you. And at the end, I'll do a demonstration, a strategy tester on the robot that I've created. So please stay tuned, because I'll be sharing the details on how you can get that trading robot. So I've come up with a strategy. I call it the exponential moving average crossover. So this is how this strategy works. Let me start by talking about the key functions of moving averages. What are the key functions of moving average? So I want to justify the reason why I'm going to base my strategy on moving average. Okay, so I'm not going to talk about the definition of moving average, how we end up having these moving averages. So I'm gonna jump in straight into talking about the key functions of moving averages. Okay, so those who have been trading, they know this very well, that moving averages, they act as support and resistance, and this is very key. Support and resistance, this is very key, because most of the trades, they are made in these zones. It's a zone. So most traders will be planning their trades on these zones. So it's very important. And much of the discussion is gonna dwell much on what? On these function averages. They display direction of the trend of that market. So if you want to know whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend, you can use moving average. And this is very important, because those who have been trading for a long, they know that it's smarter. There's a saying that the trend is your friend. If you want to make more money, you have to follow the trend. So this strategy is a trend following strategy. It's a trend following strategy. So there are different methods that are used to calculate the moving averages. So I'm going to justify the reason why I'm going to be using EMA, exponential moving averages. So I've used exponential moving average rather than simple moving average or linear weighted moving averages, because the exponential are responsive to. So if there is going to be recent price changes, the exponential moving average is the one that adequately depicts or shows a clear picture of what is actually taking place in the market. So that's the reason why I'm not going to be talking about how they are calculated or what. You can do a research on that. Okay, then okay, so I'm going to explain how I came up with this trading robot, and maybe you can actually deduce how you can also come up with your own trading strategy. So I'll explain how the EA that I've designed operates. So the strategy is like this. So there will be two exponential moving average. We have a fast moving exponential moving average and a slow exponential moving average. So the 50 exponential moving average is going to be our fast moving average, and the 200 exponential moving average is going to be our slow moving average. So in this strategy, it's a crossover strategy. So when the fast moving average crosses above the slow moving average, so you can buy. So if you're going to take this as a strategy, you can buy. So with the trading robot that I've created, it opens a buy. So when the fast moving average, the 50 exponential moving average, crosses below the slower exponential moving average, it opens a sell. It's very, very clear. Okay, so A key point to note here is that the 200 exponential moving average, it acts as a long-term trend indicator. It's a long-term trend indicator. So when the price is above this 200 exponential moving average, there will be an uptrend. So you can buy. So the robot will open a buy. So when it's below, when the price is below, there will be a downtrend. So the robot can also what? Can also sell. So this is how the strategy is like. So let me just try to do a summary. So the strategy uses exponential moving average. We have the 50, which is the slow moving average, and the 200, which is the fast. The 50 is the fast moving average, and the 200 exponential is the slow moving average. So when it crosses above the fast moving average, crosses above the slow moving average, we buy. Closes below, we sell. Basically that's it. Okay, let me go to the charts and try to show you what exactly do I mean. So if I go here to these charts, you're going to be able to see this. So this is what I'm talking about. So the blue moving average, this blue moving average, and the 200 exponential is the slow moving average. Okay, so the blue moving average is our. Come on. Sorry for that. So the blue moving average is the fast moving average, which is our 50 exponential moving average, and the red one is our 200 exponential moving average. So when there is a crossing, for example, what is taking place here, which is the fast moving average, it crosses above the 200 exponential moving average, which is the slow. We are now in an uptrend, so you can buy. So as you can see, there's now an uptrend. So the robot will automatically open it. I've designed this robot, and okay, let me just do a quick demonstration of what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna do a strategy test on this boom and crash exponential crossover EA. So let me go to the let me go and test what is taking place here. So I want you to observe what I was talking about. Let me try to enlarge this page. Okay, I don't like these grids. Let me remove it. So you can see here there was a crossing. Okay, let me try to reduce again so that we can see it opened up a cell here, then it closed it closes the cell here. Then here there was a crossover, it bought, but unfortunately the market didn't go up, so it has a stop loss. It hit the price got to where the stop loss was, so it closed that trade. So let's observe what is going to take place here. But as you can see, we started with 100. It's already what, 200. So the good part with this board is that it has a trailing stop, and you can adjust the lot sizes. So I'm currently using a lot size of 1, and I started with 100. Let's see what is going to take place. Here it opened a sell because there was a crossover. Here this fast moving average is close. So here, and there was a spike, then it closed it, but there was a little bit that it got from this trade, I think about $3. So let's see what is going to take place here. It opened up a sell because there was a crossover. Then unfortunately the market didn't go up. So let's keep observing what is going to take place here. It sold. Okay, let me try to increase the speed. Here it opened up a buy stop here, then this was perfect. It bought in boom, and you can see our money is increasing. Okay, let me try to speed it up. Okay, here there's a sell, a spike came, closed the trade. Okay, so you can use it in 1 minute time frame or in any time frame. So what is important is that you need to adjust the take profit as you go up. Maybe you go to 30 minutes or 1 hour, you need to increase the take profit, the pips, you need to increase that. Okay, so basically you can see what is taking place here. Whenever there's a crossover, the bot will open up a trade. It can open a sell or a buy. Here there was no crossover, so it wasn't activated. Let's see here again, there wasn't a crossover. It will wait until there is a crossover, because it's an indication that the market is now moving in a certain direction. Probably it is now in a downtrend or an uptrend. So when it goes up, the 200 exponential moving average, this one, there is now a buy. When it goes down, you can see here it's a downtrend. So you can play around with the parameters so that it actually suits your desire. That's the good part again. You can actually play around with the parameters so that you can adjust it. You can even put a higher or a lower lot size. Okay, let's see. Let me try to speed it up a little bit. There, it sold. Okay, it sold, and you can see our money is going up. Sold, close the trade here. So you can play around with the even the trailing stop. There's a trailing stop. You can even increase this trailing stop so that it's not that active. Let me increase it. Okay, here there was a crossover, a sell, then there were spikes. It opened up a buy, but the market didn't go that up. Okay, let's see here. Again, a sell, and you can see the money is going up. It's going up, it's going up, it's going up. The reason why I'm now opting to use robots, it is because of the fact that there is a limit. When you're trading, there's a limit. You can go to a certain, you can trade for certain hours. After those hours, you'll be exhausted. You need to rest. When you keep on trading, that's when you start losing. So with robots, they open and do the trading on your behalf while you are doing something else. Let me try to speed up this robot so that we can see, we can analyze the results. Okay, let me skip this part, but just observe this. This is very key. Our equity is going up. We started with 100, now we are on close to 500, which is very important, and we are still in January. So let me try to speed up the process. So that we don't waste a lot of time. We are interested in the results. Okay, even the graph, as you can see, it's quite healthy. It's going up. We're now reaching 1,000, and we are still in January. This is impressive. In a month, with a deposit of 100, you'll be close to 1,000. This is amazing. So this robot can trade boom, and it can also trade in what? It can also trade in it can in crash. So I'll just give you the parameters for boom 1,000 and crash 1,000, and you can play around with the combination of your take profit and your take your lot size, your stop loss, even the trailing stop to suit your needs. But I think it's doing well. You can see here it's still going up. We're now in January, February, March, April. We're now in April, and we're doing good. We're now close to 4,000. This is amazing. So let's just wait and see after a year what is going to take place. So I've been testing this robot in a demo account, and it's doing quite well. So if you're interested in this robot, it's very easy. So the first thing that you need to do is to subscribe to my channel, and you send it. You can send it on my WhatsApp or my email, then I will just send you the robot. It's for free. So this is what I do. And my target is boom and crash. I've been trading this market for a very long time. So I've come up with a lot of trading strategy, which I'm willing to share with you guys. And I've created a lot of, let me show you. I've created a lot of robots. I've created a lot of robots. All these robots I've created. All these I've created, and I'm willing to share with you this. Some they will be for sale. Some will be for sale. But I want you to see what I make. And if you think that these robots and the strategies that I'm sharing with you actually works, then you can then get in contact and I'll share more with you. But I'm glad that we're now approaching the festival season, so I will have more time to go live and share with you guys more. So this crossover strategy actually, so this was a trade that was carried by another bot, the Vision and the Spike bot. This is amazing. It's a Spike bot, so I make those. Okay, I also make Spike bots for Crash, for Boom. I have a lot of bots, guys. I have a lot of bots. So if you're interested, you let me know. So we want to analyze the results of this one. So this is the crossover strategy, exponential crossover. Okay, you can see the graph is going up. We're now close to 9,000. This is amazing. In 10 months, you'll be close to 9,000. And you'll not be doing anything. You just let the robot do its work. You just monitor. There's nothing that you will be doing. It will close its trades. It will open trades. And it will wait. The smartest part of this board is this. It follows the trend. If there is an uptrend, the crossover will be above. It will open a buy. If there is a downtrend, it knows that now it's now in a downtrend. It will start selling, and it's very good. So you can even increase the take profit, even increase the play around with the trailing stop. It's very, very easy. You can check. These are the inputs. So these are my take profits. So this bot, the parameters that are currently operating, they are for Boom 1000 and Boom and Crash 1000. So if you want me to design another one for Boom 500, you have to pay a fee. So this one that is free, you can use it on Crash Boom 1000, but you can play around with these figures and see the best combination that will work for you. So there is the trailing stop, the lot sizes. You can also adjust those. It's an amazing bot. So I come up with trading strategies, and I design both trading robots that will execute those strategies. So please leave a comment, share, and like my video so that I can reach a lot of people. So this bot is for free. If you're interested, I've inserted my details in the description. It's for free. I'm giving you for free, and you can adjust it so that it meets your need. You can even use it in Boom 500. Play around with those figures. What is important is that 1, you can adjust the lot size. 2, there's a trailing stop which protects part of your profits when the trade goes in your favor, so you're not going to lose everything. Then you can also play around with the stop loss and the take profit. This is very important, and this will make the bot more profitable. So I'll just give you the basics. So these parameters actually works for 1000 boom or crash. So let's see. I'm waiting to analyze the result. We're now close to 11,000. So with an initial deposit of 100, it's a good investment, and you're getting this bot for free. Guys, it's not easy designing and creating a robot. It took me a lot of sleepless nights, and a lot of time to study and understand and test until you come up with this perfect thing. It's not easy coming up with a robot. So you subscribe to my channel, take a screenshot, send it on my email or WhatsApp, then I'll send it for free. It's as simple as that. Okay, let's see what is happening. Oh, close to 10,000. This is amazing. Yeah. I wish it could be a little bit faster. So whenever there's a crossover, the bot will open a trade. I didn't want this video to be very long. I didn't want to. And if you are really experienced in boom and crash, you understand that boom 1000, they trained in a certain direction for a very long time. If it's going to go down, it will go down for a very long time, and there's money. Comparing the two, the boom and crash 1000 and the boom and crash 500, honestly I believe that there is more money in 1000s, because if you catch a spike in 1000 at 0.2, you probably get something like $3 to $4, even $5 one spike, which is amazing. But in crash, hey, that thing is too volatile. It doesn't trend in a certain direction for very long, and sometimes if you have been trading boom and crash, you know that spikes that normally take place in boom 1000s, they are continuous, a double spike, and those spikes will be very, very big. You make a lot of money. So let's see what is going to take place here. So the trailing stop is the red line that you see here. Once there is a spike, it closes that cell, and it will wait until the trend changes. Okay, let's wait and see what is taking place. I've created a lot of trading robots which I'm willing to give for free, but not all are for free. Some I will be selling them. So the main reason why I came up with this channel, a lot of my brothers, mostly were in Africa. Hey, things are not that good, so I'm trying to alleviate poverty, help my brothers and sisters, especially in Africa, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Nigeria. I know that there are a lot of people who come from those areas. Zambia, yes, in Zambia they are very good traders. Yeah, Bliss Dollar, yeah, he's one of my motivator. He's very good. Okay, so let's see what is going to take place here. So if you are interested, again, you can give me a strategy. You can share with me your strategy, and I will design a robot that can carry out the strategy. I think the robot is done. The robot is done. Let's go and check out the results. So with an initial deposit of 100 US dollars, the robot managed to generate a net profit of 11,635, which is impressive. This is impressive. And you'll be basically doing nothing. Nothing, I'm telling you. It's an automatic trading robot, and the results are very good. The results are very, very good. Okay, let me scroll down. The profit factor 1.94, which is not that bad. It's very good. Expected payoff 3.96. It's good. So if you play with the parameters, I'm telling you, these figures will go up. And it was active. It took a lot of trade, which is very good. Let's look at the charts. Yeah, it's very, very healthy. Profit and loss by weekends. You can see that the blue lines are above the losses. It's a very good board. It's very, very good. So these are the results. So with an initial deposit of 100, after a year you get something like 11,000 doing nothing, just being passive. Okay, so that's it. So very soon I'll be coming to share with you guys all these bots. I'll be doing this constantly because we are now we'll be having a holiday. So this is what I enjoy doing. I like to I enjoy trading, and I also enjoy making robots and coming up with strategies. So I've done a thorough research on this market. It took me a lot of time to understand what is taking place in boom and crash. Okay, anyway, I'm not talking too much. Okay, that's it. So enjoy your day. So if you're interested, this bot is free. The only thing that you need to do is to subscribe to my channel, take a screenshot, send the screenshot evidence that you have subscribed to my channel, because I'm helping you, you have to help me. Then that's it. Take care. Stay safe. I love you. Bye guys.